All right. So, snowstorm day. You just dug everybody out and you can see everybody's running around. Hi, Bagel! I know, girl. It's a lot of snow, eh? Dug out all the entrances. Hi, Beans. Water heaters are still working. Hi, you too. But there's a lot of snow. I just checked. We have about 12 to 16 inches that's come down so far, and then the wind blows into drifts. But everyone's doing good. Hi, guys. So second time shoveling it out. Probably be a third and a fourth. Probably be a long day, long night, but gonna make something of it in the end. Happy trails. Stay safe out there.